Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to restore old version with AI. If you want to restore the old version of your video, so you just need a website. So just open your browser and here you just have to search for the website named SVFR AI. Just search for it and then just open the first website. It will take some moments to open and there you just need to upload a video and then select the category. If you have a black and white video, so you just have to select colorization, and if you have a colorization video and you want to turn it into black and white, so just select BFR upload video and then tap on submit. After some moments your result will be ready and you can see the old version of your video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.